today we are here at Sidrokoto area, Nkonyeni Golf Estate to be exact. I'm sure this is the place that you usually envy to see on social media, on all these wonderful places on social media, but today we're bringing to you this thing right here. I'm sure you're excited as I am to see what they have to offer for us. Let's go.
Nkonyeni Golf Estate is nestled in the heart of a bush in Eswatini. It extends over 1,200 hectares of pristine bushveld overlooking the Great Usutu River, surrounded by the Lubombo Mountains, providing stunning views from every vantage point. The company's founder and CEO, Johan Rudolph, gives us an inside peek at what Nkonyeni has to offer.
Nkonyeni Golf Estate has got two departments or two facets to it. The one is a residential golf estate, so it's for people to buy a property and live on the estate. The second part of it is we're a resort as well. So we cater for international groups, golfing groups to come and have a holiday here, golfing holiday, etc. So it's those two. We started construction in 2005, and the property was bought by my grandfather in 1959. And so we've been farming on the property ever since, and obviously it's a beautiful property. And because I love golf and I love the bush, you know, it was a dream that I had, that I would like to live on a golf estate, and I thought, you know, let's develop a golf estate, and that's where the dream came from. The vision is really to build this to a, you know, it's already international destination, but really to establish itself internationally, where people from international golfing fraternities can come and, you know, and spend time and play golf and enjoy the golf course. And then obviously also to build out the residential golf estate and to cater for a family's needs, you know, from schooling to entertainment to sports to just quality living. And then obviously the residential, we also want to build that out still. So there's another about 200 plots that we still will be developing. And then, as I said, you know, school, we're in the process of constructing a high school. When we're done with that, obviously we would like to do a primary school as well. And then, you know, in the longer future, we'd also like to establish a frail care facility, a retirement village type of thing, so we can also cater for the old age, you know, on the estate.
The Nkonyeni Golf Course runs through the estate, blending animals and nature to create a world-class and unique golfing experience. Franz, the golf director and expert golfer, throws some light on the Nkonyeni golfing experience.
I'm sure our viewers are really interested to know that what is it that Nkonyeni has to offer as far as golf is concerned.
The fantastic part about Nkonyeni is that we have 27 holes, and of the 27 holes we played as 4 different combinations. Currently we're at hole number 12. If you just look at this fantastic view that we have here with peace and tranquility, I mean, what's not to please the heart.
That's awesome. You know, what I'm interested in the most is to understand what is so special about the different sports whereby you take people maybe to play golf. What's so special about the different places? And of course, maybe even the grasses, because I mean, that is just something that is so peculiar to me.
Yeah, so what we offer here, like I mentioned, is we offer 4 different courses. So we can cater basically anything from the professional golfer to the beginner basically. The types of grass we have on this side, on the greens throughout the entire course, we have royal blue grass, and it's a fantastic type of strain of grass that can stand the heat and the winter cold as well. But especially with the heat, as it gets quite hot here at Nkonyeni. So this side was, the Bushveld side was designed by Phil Jacobs, which was part of the Gary player group, and the links course was designed by Peter Matkovich and Louis Westhuizen, hence the with Matco 57 logo that we use on our scorecards as well. From here, I'll take you guys down to hole number 22 on the link side, which was designed by Louis Oosthuizen. That is quite a spectacular par 5, and I'm looking forward to show you. Currently we're at hole number 8 here at the Bushveld with this beautiful lake here in front of us. It does swallow quite a bit of balls out here. We have a resident croc living here, so those balls just find a final resting place there. The beauty about playing the Bushveld course where we are now is part of our game reserve, and it's fantastic with the nature around you, with the nyalas, the impalas. We have zebra, we have blue bears. Maybe if you get lucky, you see a waterbuck or a kudu, a few duikers, and obviously lots of monkeys around. But it's such a fantastic venue, and if you listen carefully, you don't hear sound around you. We're in nature, and that is very special. There's very few courses that can actually give you that, where there's no sounds of cars or noise around you or anything like that. That is really spectacular. So this side, the 8th hole is part of the Bushveld course, which is also within our game reserve here at Nkonyeni. Of the 27 holes, we played as 4 different combinations. So the beauty about it is that a group can stay here for 4 days and play 4 different courses at Nkonyeni, which is a fantastic feature. We're one of, if I'm not mistaken, I think we're probably one of 2 or 3 destinations that can offer that type of service to our customers in the Southern Hemisphere, which is fantastic.
The golf course is constructed with players in mind. Golf holes are methodically designated, dug up and improved for the highest golfing precision possible for every golfing tournament that Nkonyeni provides, making the experience difficult to beat. The grass is groomed and leveled on a regular basis to maintain the golf course up to date for all professional golfers, utilizing cutting-edge technology. As a result, Nkonyeni Golf Estate certainly lives up to its reputation as a golfing paradise.
Buhle Betfu, we are still at Nkonyeni Golf Estate, enjoying the scenery, enjoying all the beauty that they have to offer, right, to us as the members of public, eMaSwati to be exact. I'm sure that there's still more that they have for us to bring out to us. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.
Within the estate, Nkonyeni Resort has a plethora of facilities and amenities. They range from a luxurious self-catering pool villa entrenched inside residential sections that look out onto breathtaking mountain views, providing a taste of life as a resident within the estate. The Lynx Villa at Nkonyeni is a 3-bedroom house that sleeps up to 6 people with ensuite bathrooms and showers. Nkonyeni also has a lodge that consists of 9 rooms with ensuite as well. Bush Baby Lodge offers a luxurious experience on a budget, ranging from standard to executive rooms with ensuite baths and shower combinations with garden views and private outside showers. The estate takes pleasure in having a plethora of riverfront chalets that are a combination of rustic craftsmanship and contemporary interior design, offering a luxurious getaway that complements the natural environment. But if you truly want to experience African living, Nkonyeni borders its own 400-hectare private game reserve where guests can enjoy game viewing on foot, by bicycle, or on a game drive that Zakele is an expert on.
La ngakhathe game reserve eNkonyeni ngidawucala ngekuthi kude tilwane letingoti cishe letingoti tilwane nje letinkulu kune zebra kune chongololo labaye bathi kudu kune ingongoni baye bathini wild beast sekune liphiva water park. Sengawubala nenyala ngoba naso ifolisha adlatilwane ngasithi inkulu. Asikho lesinye silwane lesikhulu kwengcala lemdibalile. Ndi sekunetimbala imisumbe etilwane tasendle bo timpunzi bologwaja tonke tikhona ngakhathe game reserve. Ngaphandle kwaletilwane kuphela kuyi game reserve nature reserve. Sivikele letilwane na nemvelo nje cishe yonke lekhona ngakhathi estate na ngakhathi game reserve. Lokunye lokukhona. Njengoba sine bush camp letulu njengoba ubonile lapho sifike sajika khona kune bush camp kunebo fireplace cishe konke kunema mountain challenge letulu la ngifola la khona lapha etulo ma customers avame ukuthi noma kumbe etektobuka letotilwane edi game drive ayaye besathola sikhathi endabo bush braai khona letulo sibanike inkuni siba accommodate ngakho konke balale ngabe bafuna kulala kona lawo mountain challenge sikhanyisa tibane tesinfu sithi hake lahlahleni kude ma lights yes kude gas because kuphilwa philwa sinfu yes akusiso silungu kusetshenziswa bo paraffin slayite tibane into efana naletho lo I game reserve yethu njengoba lela space aqala khona kuhlukanisa furnace keja ke ngeke ukuthi mawubona ligama liyayithi Nkonyeni Golf Estate noma lisi Nkonyeni Residential Estate lekusho ukuthi kunema residence la khona la ngakhathi eNkonyeni labane ebudlelelwane naletilwane letikhona yes so lamanye ama home owners ayatithanze letilwane azathenga noma lokho labangafuna ukuthi tikudle kuze sithi toqhubeka tibe khona but around leyo ma properties akhona ndobo budlelwane lokungathi bukhona kulama residents nale game reserve.
After a day of game viewing, guests can relax and rejuvenate at the Nkonyeni Clubhouse. Bunker's Restaurant offers a memorable culinary experience. Moses Milani, the restaurant manager, gives more insight on the subject.
Bunker's, if you are a golfer, you'll understand very well ukuthi now udlala golf field ekhosini kuthiwa ikhose golf. So kunalapho kungathi kumhlaba khona. They call it a bunker. So once le bola yangena lapho, which is the bola ye golf, kunkhona kuyikhipha lapho. So the restaurant name came about ukuthi yeah, it's a difficult place to get to, but ekugcineni once wafika lapha, you know the pleasure of the nithola khona. See Bunker's Restaurant at Nkonyeni, we do a whole lot of events. Imishado yonke, ma-party, bridal showers, nako konke. Lokuthi sikwende konke lokho, I think bantu abaningi bakhanze kuyindzawo lenhle. Now ufike Nkonyeni, as you've seen it yourself, the greens nakhona la siyakhona kuhostela lapha ekhathi kuma-greens and phinde futhi sikhona kuhostela la ekhathi restaurant. Remember restaurant yethu ine upper place lapho ukhona nawufuna kushaya le exclusive nyana uyakhona kubhaca. So at any time uyakhona kubhuka nathi and then isikhona ukwendela lapho ngathi kufihleke khona nangakufuna kuhlala khona, but nangabe ufuna kuhlala open khona sinawo ama-greens lapho sikhona kubeka khona. Menu yethu si a la carte. A la carte menu si tala from breakfast, singene lunch or even dinner, usebenzisa menu yethu. So ine range lenkulu kakhulu. Breakfast yethu we've got about 10 options low wathola, and then when I say a la carte, this is one of the best menus long wathola in Swaziland. You name it, from your international salads you can get, from your steaks you can get, from your pastas you can get. Ema-takeaways siyawenda vele ngisho ukuthi siphila kakhulu ma-takeaways. Uphenzoke wamenshina nema-rooms njengoba nahlala agcwele vele sideliver kakhulu. Room service into lesiyenda dot during the day and or even at night. Room service ngiyona lesiyenda kakhulu. Onke ke ma deliveries zethu endeka within kwamanje, within the estate, yeah, so sisengakhona ukuphumela ngaphandle. But if you want to take away, you can place it over the phone, ubuye uthathe take away yakho ikanza seredo uphuma uhambe nayo.
Outside of luxury, the estate is full of activities for the entire family, including swimming, tennis, cycling, and a children's playing area with squash, putt-putt, and many other games for the youngins. While they play, the parents can unwind with a relaxing couples massage at the Nkonyeni Beauty Spa, which masseuse Sanele Dlamini elaborates on.
Nkonyeni Beauty Spa senda ema massages, senda ema facials, senda nema waxing, senda nema pedi, nema mani. Ngiwe ma services leswendako la Nkonyeni. So ema massages leswendako we do ema couples massage mani turning to siyani faga eromeni nibeng to, and we also do individual massages. You can come away fun. And we also do my full bodies and my back and neck. When I say back and neck, we do the back, lower back to shoulders and the neck. My facials less when I go, we do my anti-agings. Naso uvangati emalanga seka hambile. Kumqoka kakhulu because umtimba wethu ufana njengemoto. We need to service our body. Because the more sisebenda, the more even ingadi yethu besa isakhona circulator. So to come to the spa and have a massage kumqoka kakhulu. So kumele kube injayelo kithi. Masibenda imassage kuba kuwe. Kwekuthi ufuna kuta la spa, or we can also go to your room lawulele khona, or else we can also go outside and do the massages. It's up to you. Most of the time the people that are saying after the service, they say they will come back. Definitely they come back again. Nanfuna kubuka Nkonyeni ninga Mfola on my cell phone. It's 76 505285 or 76 333 549. Then also you can get us a Facebook. It's where la kona kuthola ne ngwendema bookings.
Nkonyeni Golf Estate is a luxury paradise in its own right, providing guests with a once-in-a-lifetime experience while also benefiting the community in a variety of ways. Sakile outlines how Nkonyeni is able to do so.
So the role Nkonyeni is played in the community in terms of giving back, I'd say it's more of an empowerment approach. Nkonyeni hires a lot of locals in this area in Strogotwo. It also hires people outside of Strogotwo, and there's plus 100 employees at Nkonyeni. From the ground staff to the cleaners to execs like myself. So Swazis are getting job opportunities at all levels. Another thing is Nkonyeni, because of the sort of establishment it is, it's a resort that attracts tourists from outside the country. I think that's a huge benefit, not only for the country as a whole, but specifically for this community, Strogotwo. Nkonyeni is literally built in a bush, an area that otherwise would have never received investment. But because of Nkonyeni, we now have a community formulating here. We have shops, we have other businesses being built around Nkonyeni. And of course, I think a major contribution on the education side is the school we're building. I think that will even have a bigger impact than we've had in sport or in the hospitality. If you'd like to contact us at Nkonyeni, and you're someone who likes to be on the internet, you can simply visit nkonyeni.co.za. That website has links to everything to do in Nkonyeni, all our divisions, whether you want to stay in Nkonyeni temporarily, whether you want to buy property, whether you want to come play golf, or you simply want to download our menu so you can plan for your event. Our website is our primary domain to contact customers. You can always visit us on social media across all platforms at Nkonyeni Golf Estate. And one of the most exciting ventures is the Nkonyeni app. Your viewers are the first to hear about it. We've been testing it. People have early access right now, our residents, some fans that come by often. And this app promises to take it to a new level from the website. I'll leave it at that. Just download the Nkonyeni Golf Estate app or visit nkonyeni.co.za or on Instagram, Nkonyeni Golf Estate. You can DM, you can comment on a picture. There's many ways to interact with us. It's not about just staying at Nkonyeni. We also have online competitions. We do giveaways. We have people winning vouchers to come eat at our restaurant that are staying here. We have residents that want to participate in events. So if you have an event and you'd like to host in Nkonyeni, there's that network you can exploit. So I think this is an exciting place, and contact us for any of your needs, and we'd appreciate to host you.
With vast land comes great responsibility. Nkonyeni truly lives up to it.
Buhle Betfu, it is not every day whereby you get an experience at Nkonyeni Golf Estate. You know, I'm talking about sleeping over here. It's been a wonderful experience. Talk about the food, talk about the activities. Look at me chilling on a golf cart. It's really a wonderful experience. You can have this experience for yourself. There's beauty here, exclusivity, or you name it. You just need to come and enjoy this place. It's right here in S1OE06, welcoming every one of us. Make sure that you continue following us on all our social media platforms, because there is more that you have to see from Eswatini. Until next week, same time, same place. Goodbye.